May 1, celebrated all over the world, to celebrate the achievements of workers and to spread awareness and exploitation that workers face. Workers are the people who makes other life move smoothly. Leaders are the people that shows the way to reach any destination, but workers are the people that pave that way. So, for the further details, let's talk about the history and importance of the Labor Day. This day is celebrated and known by names like International Workers' Day, Labor Day, and May Day. Before Labor Day came into existence, workers faced many problems like death, injuries, and dangerous working conditions. Due to the rise of industrialization, the US exploited the working class during 19th century and made them work up to 15 hours a day under rigorous conditions. These conditions in industries forced the working class to raise their voice for their safety. After efforts made by socialists, 8 hours was declared as legal time for the workers in National Convention at Chicago in late 19th century by the American Federation of Labor. On May 4, 1886, when workers assembled as a part of peaceful rally in a strike demanding an 8-hour workday, an unknown person threw a dynamite bomb at police as they acted to disperse the meeting. These Chicago protests are now celebrated as Labor Day on May 1. These protests led to many countries, including India, following an 8-hour working day. Every year this day is celebrated by workers normally, but this time the celebration will look a little different owing to the current situation of the coronavirus induced pandemic. This pandemic showed a harsh face to the workers. According to the data, 80% of the India's informal workers lost their job during COVID lockdown. Small traders, hawkers, and daily wages laborers were the worst hit by lockdown in April. Small traders, hawkers, and daily wage laborers were the worst hit by lockdown in April. By the end of 2021, government will try to recover the loss and workers will get job hopefully. India, stay strong, we will recover from this phase and again we will be on our progressive path. With the strong plans and practice, we will surely make a brighter future for upcoming generation.